Hey y'all, welcome back to House of Organic Beauty. I did promise you guys on how I make the aloe vera leave-in conditioner, so check it out. So hey guys, so in this video I'll be using coconut oil, organic coconut oil to be exact. I'll be using flaxseed gel, vegetable glycerin, and an aloe plant. Also be using a measuring cup. You don't have to have a measuring cup. I just chose to use a measuring cup, and a funnel, and also you'll be needing a container to put your product in. So right now I am cutting up 2 leaves, and I might as well just cut everything up and then store some for later. So you want to cut up the edges, and then you want to split it down the middle, and then scrape the jelly part out with a spoon. Some people use knives to scrape the jelly part out, but I find that using a spoon is safer and you get more out. I'm sure with the knife you get more out too, but it's just safer. I'm clumsy. Okay, I don't know how many times I almost chopped my fingers off. So yeah, take your time, and yeah, so I'm just splitting it down the middle. These 2 leaves I got from Publix. I think it was like 2 for $3. They're very inexpensive. You can also grow them in your backyard. So right here, I am using my trusty spoon to scrape out all of the jelly. I will be using a Ninja Bullet. You can use a NutriBullet or any type of blender of your choice. So as you can see inside of my blender, I do have distilled water in there. It's just to keep it from like turning brown. So I'll be scraping everything off and then putting everything in the blender, not everything, but the jelly in the blender, and then blending it all up. I am finally done. Now I am going to blend it up. I ended up using a little bit more distilled water just to give me more of the aloe. So yeah. So right now I am going to strain the aloe vera juice, and you want to use a stocking cap or a cheesecloth because you do not want to get the pieces stuck in your hair. So this part you cannot miss it at all. Like, you have to strain the aloe vera gel, okay? Those pieces will stay stuck in your hair for weeks. Trust me, I know. My kids went to school with white pieces in their hair, and I had to send in a note telling them that is aloe pieces. Don't worry, they're good. So yeah, so strain your aloe juice, please. Okay, do not skip this step. As you can see, you know, guys, when I'm doing my DIYs, I make a mess. Okay, I had to pause there because like I was mad. I was so pissed off. I was like, you know what, I'm over it. Okay, I am over it. As you can see, the aloe created a whole lot of foam. Listen, I don't know. I think because the way it was blended, but it created a lot of foam, and I believe because there was water added too. I don't know, but I was not happy. But moving on. So I'm just adding the mixture in slowly because of that foam. I should let it sit so the foam could kind of like, you know, defoam, if that's even a word. This process took me forever. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so tedious. Lord help me. But it was all good. But you see, you have to work smarter, not harder. Okay, not the other way around. So I found this technique and it worked. It honestly did work. So yeah. Some people ask me if you could use a strainer. I would suggest, you can use a strainer if the holes are like extra teeny. Because like I said, you do not want these pieces in your hair, honey. Okay. May not seem like a lot, but trust me, I will show you at the end the pieces that could have been left on your hair if you do skip this step. You don't want to skip this step, guys. So because I made a whole lot of aloe vera juice, I will be storing it in a few containers. I will be storing these in the freezer for like a few weeks or so, and just take as much as I need to use now. Okay, this recipe is for a 4-ounce bottle, so I'll just be needing probably, well, I'll show you the measurements as I go. But yeah, this recipe is only for 4 ounces of leave-in conditioner. Now it's time to make our leave-in conditioner. You'll need 4 tablespoons of the aloe vera juice. 2, 3, 4. And then half a tablespoon of the vegetable glycerin. I honestly did not want to dirty other spoons, so I was like, yeah. 2 tablespoons of your DIY flaxseed gel. One tablespoon of your organic coconut oil. I had to melt mine down just so it can be easier to go into the bottle. And voila! So all you have to do is just add 2 of your favorite essential oils. I'll be adding 3 drops of the lavender oil. Then 3 drops of the rosemary oil. Give it a shake and then we are done. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this DIY makes your hair feel lovely like it did mine. I do have videos on me using this. Is he serious right now? I do have videos of me using this leave-in conditioner, so check those videos out. And again, be blessed, y'all.